Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in a standard photo mode, so to get access to the location tags we have to move to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and from here let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. As you can see here we have the location tag option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when you really want to save actual location of your photo, you have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and you have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep this turned on to show you how to check the actual location of the picture. So let's go back to the camera and take a photo. And now let's go to this button here in the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. To check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have the location tags. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.